Welcome back to Legendary Machine, the place where horsepower meets heart-pounding emotion. Today, we're diving into one of the most electrifying machines on the planet, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto. This is the Raging Bull's first high-performance hybrid. And even though Lamborghini has stepped into the world of electrification, nothing about this machine feels tame. It's wild, loud, unapologetically dramatic, and exactly what you expect when a new chapter of Lamborghini history begins. Let's start with the exterior, because the moment you see the Revuelto, you understand that Lamborghini didn't just evolve their design language, they detonated it. The body looks like it was carved from a block of alien metal, full of angles sharper than a fighter jet. The Y-shaped signature lighting dominates the front, almost like glowing fangs ready to strike. Every crease, every vent, every piece of carbon fiber has a purpose. It's all about aerodynamic efficiency and visual aggression. The stance is pure Lamborghini, low, wide, and menacing, like it's about to pounce even at a standstill. The front air channels cut through the air like knives, feeding the radiators and directing airflow with surgical precision. Down the sides, you get those massive intakes sculpted so deeply it feels like you could fall inside them. Lamborghini calls the Revuelto a spaceship for the road, and the exterior design absolutely delivers on that idea. Around the back, it only gets more extreme. The twin hexagonal exhausts sit high like they were ripped straight off a prototype race car. You can see parts of the powertrain exposed beneath them, proudly on display. The taillights continue that Y-shaped design language, hovering over an enormous diffuser that looks like it could anchor a small submarine. Everything back here screams power, heat, and aggression. But this machine isn't only about looking like a mythic creature carved from fire. Underneath all that exotic bodywork lies one of the most impressive powertrains Lamborghini has ever built. The Revuelto is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 paired with 3 electric motors. That combination delivers a mind-bending 1,001 horsepower. Yes, you heard that correctly, over 1,000 horses from Santa Gata. This is the first time Lamborghini has taken its iconic V12 and fused it with an advanced hybrid system, and the result is astonishing. The electric motors fill into work instantly, eliminating any hesitation you might expect from a massive combustion engine. The acceleration is ferocious. 0 to 60 happens in a blink of around 2.5 seconds, and it just keeps pulling with relentless force. The electric all-wheel drive system gives it grip that seems to defy physics, and the new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers shifts that feel like lightning strikes. Lamborghini has also pushed the handling to a new level. The chassis is lighter and stiffer than the Aventadors, thanks to a new carbon fiber monocoque. The Revuelto is surprisingly agile for a V12 supercar, dancing through corners with precision you wouldn't expect from something with this much brute force. Rear-wheel steering, torque vectoring, and advanced aerodynamics all work together to make each corner feel like an event. This car isn't only fast in a straight line, it's engineered to dominate racetrack. And even with all this performance, the Revuelto can glide quietly in electric-only mode. It won't last long. It's a Lamborghini hybrid, not a commuter car, but the fact that this beast can creep around silently is both surreal and unbelievably cool. Now, let's talk briefly about the interior. Lamborghini has stepped up the cabin experience while keeping the fighter jet inspiration alive. You're greeted by sharp angles, floating panels, and a cockpit-like layout that makes you feel like the pilot of something dangerous and beautiful. In the center, there's a vertically mounted touchscreen with modern graphics, surrounded by physical switches that feel mechanical and satisfying. The digital cluster in front of the driver is crisp, customizable, and gives you all the hybrid system information you could ever want. The seats are sporty but surprisingly comfortable, wrapped in premium materials and available in dozens of wild color combinations. Lamborghini made sure you never forget you're sitting inside a six-figure masterpiece. Even the start button is dramatic. You lift a red cover like you're launching a missile. The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto isn't just another supercar. It represents a new era for the brand, one where electrification meets tradition without losing the soul that makes a Lamborghini a Lamborghini. It's louder, faster, sharper, and smarter, proving that the future of performance doesn't have to be quiet or restrained.